is Bob Butler. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, contact us through our website, email me direct, Bob Butler at Pole Life Systems. Go through your distributors. If you need pricing on it, they come in multiple sizes. We have 48-inch, 72-inch, or we can customize any size you want or fabricate a bolt pattern for you that'll work. So be glad to help. I know these will put back the structural strength and keep your poles restored. You capitalize these no different than bracing the base of the pole. So if you have minor damage on your transmission or distribution system, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching.